Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over some of the deals at Dollar General that'll be good for October 20th through the 26th. Now, there's nothing totally standing out to me this week, like I have to run and go get a great deal. There are a few good deals that you can match up with your 5 off of 25 though for Saturday. So make sure you go into your account and clip your digitals. They will disappear sometimes if you don't clip them to your account, so just go in and clip them before you lose them. Also, I want to remind you to make sure you are checking for new coupons throughout the week because they do add new digitals before Saturday. And as always, make sure you're scanning your receipts on the Fetch app. That way you're making even more money back off your deal. And if you don't know what Fetch is, it's just an app where you take a picture of a receipt from a store, any store really, and then it calculates it up and gives you points, and then you can turn your points into gift cards. I will link my referral code for Fetch in the description box below this video. So if you don't already have it, you can get it. And I think when you scan your first receipt, it'll give you a few thousand points for using my referral code. And just a quick reminder, clip that 5 off of 25 for Saturday. For the first deal, you want to pick up either 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus 12 big rolls or the paper towel 6 rolls. And this week, those are each 2 for $8, so you want to pick up 2. We have a digital coupon for $2 off any 2 packages, either the Scott Bath Tissue 8-pack or larger or the paper towels 6-pack or larger. So your final cost for 2 of them would be $6. And that might be something you want to work into your 5 off of 25 this week. For the next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Airwick Scented Oil refills, and those are $5 a piece. And in the 10/20 Smart Stores, we got a buy one, get one free. So you'd end up getting 2 for $5. The Downy Wrinkle Guard 25-ounce bottle is $4.50. We have a $2 off coupon, leaving your final cost at just $2.50. For this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Purina Cat Chows, and they have to be the 3.15-pound bag, and they're $5.50 a piece. We got a digital coupon for buy one, get one free on the Purina Cat Chow, the 3.15-pound bag. So your final cost for 2 would be $5.50. And for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Purina Dog Chow 4-pound bags for $4.65. And we got a digital for buy one, get one free on the Purina Dog Chow 3.5 to 4-pound bag. So your final cost for 2 would be $4.65. So I included this next deal because we don't always have deals on trash bags. So you want to get one of these, either the DG Home Tall Kitchen Bags, the large drawstring, or the lawn and leaf, and they're all usually $4.50, but they're on sale this week for $4. We got a digital coupon for save $1 on the DG Home bags, so your final cost for whichever one you pick would be just $3. For this deal, you want to get 2 of the Purina Dog Chow, the high protein, and they're in the can, and they're $1 a piece. We got a coupon on our digital account for buy one, get one free on the Purina Wet Dog Food, making 2 cans just $1. Alright, I'd like to thank you for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you would. If you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe. Like I talked about in my last video, I told you guys that I just got a Walgreens here. I am definitely this week going to sit down, learn their couponing policy, try a few things out, and I am definitely, I think, going to start doing some Walgreens videos, but I am not going to stop doing Dollar General videos. It's just something to add to it because a lot of you say you love couponing at Walgreens. So I'm looking forward to that. That's exciting, and we'll see where that goes. And again, definitely don't forget to check your digital account throughout the week for those other coupons that we get. It's not been the best last couple weeks, actually, couponing at Dollar General, so hopefully that picks up and we get some more really good deals. All right, everyone, enjoy your week, and I will see you later this week for a 5 off of 25.